kindergarten class is filled with great math thinkers. Is that accurate?
Yes.
Oh, I love it. This is so fabulous. Well, you're exactly right. How did you know that was a 10 frame?
Because it has 10 squares.
Count them to make sure. Let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I love it. Okay, and now we're back. So there's 10 over here, and there's 10 over here. 10 and 10, yeah. Okay, so I love 10 frames, and you know why I love them? They help me to make math movies in my head.
Me too.
And I love the frame because I can count on how many squares there are, and then I can move things around if I want to. And that helps me to become a mathematically powerful person. And oh, I love that. So I wanted to play this kind of fun game called Flip and Put It Together. All right? Yeah. So
I think I played this.
do you think you maybe have? Well, listen to the directions and see if that's true. Okay, are you guys ready? Here's what we do. I'm going to flip over one of these cards, and we're going to see how many things are there. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, it's not a numeral. There's going to be dots or tally marks or something. You're going to have to help me with it. Then we're going to build it. Then we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to build it. And then we're going to try to put it together. We're going to try to do it in the fastest way we can.
I knew it.
You might be a game maker. I love that about you. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see, or do you want to maybe just come back over here? You okay? I want you to have a front row seat. Okay, is everybody ready? Oh, here we go. This one, you know what? I'm going to switch to this. Oh, this is a good one. Ready? Put a finger up when you know. Put a finger up when you see how many beads are there.
6.
Put a finger up.
1,
Okay.
6.
Put a finger up. Okay, ready? Oh, you know what? I noticed you went like this. Everybody go like this. Oh, when you went like this, what were you telling me?
That 3 plus 3 was going to be 6.
You're exactly right. You are a natural doubler. Could we make this 6 like a doubler? Would that be okay? Oh, I love that. Okay, so this 6 is going to go here. Would you mind putting those 6 on there like a doubler would, my dear, since we were inspired by you? Okay. And ready? I wonder what this one's going to be. You guys ready? Go ahead and put it on as quickly as you can. Okay? All right. Put all 6 on as quickly as you can. Remember how you did this? Go ahead and put those 6 on there. You got it. Okay, everybody, put the 6 together like this. Got it? Okay, that's a doubler. I just want to remind you that there's another good way of thinking about 6, and that looks like this, where we have 5, make it with your fingers, 5, and 1 more. This way of thinking, like about 6, is a make 5er way. The other way is a doubler. One way is not better than the other, but I want you to be a super flexible thinker and think in both ways. We're going to go back to the double right here. Okay, so here's our 6. All right. Uh-oh. How many are here? This one's kind of hard to see. Ready?
3.
3. We're going to put 3 right here. Now, notice I'm going to use the blue side for this. And I'm going to be a make 5er over here. I could be a doubler, but I want to be a make 5er. We have 6 over here. We have 3 over here. We got to put it together.
6 plus 3
6
equals 10. No. 9. Or like this.
I've heard 10. I've heard 9. I wonder what it would be. You think 9 altogether? How'd your brain think about that?
I don't know.
Well, if you did know, what would you say? What did it do?
9.
Did it count? Did you move things over? What did you do?
Count.
You counted? Come show me what the count sounded like. Come do it for me.
1,
Mm-hmm.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So you counted from 1 and you put them all together. Could I come and put these all over together? Do you think that would make it a little easier if I do that? Okay. So counting from 1 certainly gives you the answer. Look at that. There's only one little hole left there. So I think it's 9. What do you guys think?
9.
Oh, good. Okay. Did anybody think about it in a different way? He counted from 1. Did anybody do something different? We've got three brains working. Ooh, oh, a couple more are working now. This is good news. Okay, what did you do to solve it?
I counted that.
Do you want them back over there? Would that make it easier? Okay, I get it. Sometimes I have to have everything in the right space to make it work. Okay, what'd you do? So did you count from 1 and count all of them? Okay, so you two are thinking alike. Did anybody think in a different way?
Yeah.
Yes. You know what? I'm noticing that this young gentleman he raised his hand, but nothing came out of his mouth. So I know he is really thinking about what he's wanting to say. What did you do?
So there's 6, 7, 8, 9.
So you knew this chunk was 6, and then you kept on counting? Do you know what that's called? It's called counting on.
Remember?
You are a counter on. Yeah, you can count from 1 and get the answer. You can count on and get. What'd you do?
I did 2, 4, 6, 9.
2, 4. Watch this. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Is that what you did?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. So you like to count by 2s. All right. We could do this all day, but you know what I want to do? I want to try another one. Can we try another one? And then, if time permits, I'd like you guys to try this on your own. You think you could do that? Ooh, how many here? 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 5. Oh, and you said that so nicely. Do you want to think like a make-fiver or a doubler? How should I put them out here? In a long column or 2, 2, 1? You get a pick. 2, 2, 1. You're a doubler. I love that about you. Okay, everybody, get that 5 in your brain. Okay, here comes the next one. Ready? How many here? 2. 2 here. Okay, now it's our job to put them all together.
7.
Think about it. Think about it. Remember, you don't want to be a brain robber. How are we going to solve it? Everybody's thinking. Everybody's thinking. Got to put those together. You know what I'm going to do in my head? I'm going to try to make a math movie. Okay, I see the 5 here, the 2 here. I'm going to see if I can make the movie where these two come over and join. And I'll see how many are here and how many are left. Ooh, I want to challenge myself to do that. You counted. How many do you think are there? 7? How did it sound like in your brain? Did you start counting from 1? Did you tell me what you did. What did your brain do? You counted by 1s. Could you come and show me what it sounded like? Come on over. Okay, I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7.
Counting from 1 got a 7. Anybody think about it in a different way? They didn't count from 1. We got to see if we're going to get the same thing. Oh, let's see. Who haven't I called on yet? I haven't called on you yet. Let's try it.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, so you saw this chunk of 3, and then you went 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you know that there's a chunk of 3 hiding out in that 5 that we could do that with?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. I love that. Okay. Thank you. So you took a chunk and went on from there. Okay. Anybody have a different way of thinking about it? What about you?
I moved that one to over there.
Oh, you moved these over here? Okay. Excuse me, sweetheart. Could you scoot back just a little bit? Okay. And what did you notice?
It was 7.
And did you just see it as 7? Did you count it as 7? How'd your brain think about it?
Because there was 3 left. And 8 is an even number, but a 7 is an odd number.
Look at that. This proves it. This poor guy doesn't have a partner, does he? Poor 7. He doesn't have a partner. And so you were able to see if I move those 2 over, I have 3 left, and 7 and 3 make 10. Oh, that was a good way of thinking about it, too. Oh, your brains are like on fire. This is outstanding. Do you feel like you could go do this with a partner? Okay, ready? So I'm going to put some cards here, some cards there.
It's not the dot.
It does look like that. So we can do the dots, or you can use that side. You get to pick, okay? And then we flip one over, and we flip this, and you build it and tell how many are there. Got it?
Got it.
Okay.